Okay, to continue yung nagdaan nating concept pagdating dito sa campus journalism, straightforward, kagaya ng sinabi ko dati, it should be directive pero creative pa rin. Hindi yung napakasimple niya pero wala siyang content. Kumbaga, hindi malalaman ng reader mo kung ano yung possible na magiging content or magiging concept mo sa feature article mo. Now, another example would be remembering the traumatic August of disastrous typhoon versus the power of typhoon. We all know that this time will be a typhoon season in the Philippines. Pag sinabing the power of typhoon ang title mo, napaka-basic no, napaka-simple. Yung iisipin mo na, ay, ang dali lang, the power of typhoon, yun lang. Parang maghahanap ngayon ng reader mo na, bakit yun lang kaya ang naging title niya? Ngayon, kung aayusin natin siya into a more creative one, gagawin ko siyang Remembering the Traumatic August of Disastrous Typhoon. This title pa lang, malalaman na ng reader mo na ano kaya ang nangyari sa August na yon. Bakit kaya naging disastrous ang typhoon sa time na yon? Pagiging curious ngayon sila. Parang instill nila in their history, they will try to browse and dig down kung ano yung mga nangyari nung August, 'di ba? Kaya ganyan yung paraan sa paggawa ng mga articles natin, particularly yung pagda-draft natin ng title sa feature writing. Okay. Things that we should now forget. Ito na yung mga bagay na kailangan nating makalimutan. Yung naging conventional natin, naging traditional approach natin, try nating baguhin. An effective title only has 3 to 5 words. Dati sinasabi sa'yo ni coach, kailangan ang title mo 1 word lang, 3 words lang. Okay na yon. Tapos, bawal yung mga sentence type na title, bawal yung medyo dumami ka ng konti na words sa title mo. Pinagbabawal nila before yan. But on the modern type of writing feature articles, kailangan, advisable na sa atin yung pagda-draft ng mas creative na title. Mas sound literary. Dati gustong-gusto ni coach yung parang tunog-tula. Yung para kang nagtutula. Eventually, yun ang mga paraan dati na hindi na natin dapat i-apply sa kasalukuyang panahon kasi nahuhuli ka na. That's why journalism is innovating. Nagbabago siya. It's evolving throughout the times. Kaya dapat, even your style sa pagsusulat ng feature writing ay magbago din. No weak, long, flowery, and unnecessary introduction. Pagdating sa part na to, sige, balikan natin, okay? Pagdating sa part na to, introduction will be the next target natin. Bakit? Dito mo makikita si lead. Ngayon, karaniwan sa mga bata o yung mga campus journalists natin, pag nagsusulat sila ng introduction, halos dominated siya. Kung titingnan mo, hindi balance ang introduction, ang body at ang conclusion when it comes on length or sa dami ng mga sentences na ginagamit nila. Kasi nga, binubuhos na nila lahat ng attention nila. They pour everything on the introduction without knowing or spending any sufficient time in drafting their body and the conclusion. Kaya hindi siya nagiging balance. Now, we should avoid long and flowery. Hindi na kailangan yung paligoy-ligoy, mabulaklak ng pananalita when it comes on introduction. Although kailangan pa rin yun, but limited, I guess. Limited siguro. Pero yung kailangan yung concept mo, ma-form mo siya dun sa introduction mo na ganito ang kailangan mong i-develop. The starting point must hook the readers. Kagaya ng sinabi ko, kung maganda na ang title mo, if you draft your title perfectly, now it's about time to draft your introduction, your lead perfectly as well. They should be on the same level. Kasi kung effective si title, pagkadating niya kay introduction do sa lead mo, hindi siya gaanong effective, hindi mahuhook si reader. That's why, yun ang kailangan nating pagtuunan ng pansin. Paano ko mahuhook si reader? Paano ko makukuha yung attention niya? By my introduction. Okay. Tignan natin, ha? Now, let's proceed here. Balikan natin. Okay, let us browse our PowerPoint presentation. Pasensya na po, naalis siya. Na-end part siya. Now, may mga iba't ibang uri tayo ng introduction. Kagaya ng sinabi ko, hindi na tayo on the conventional part. Now, One example would be cinematic. Cinematic, pag sinabi cinematic, cinema. Lagyan natin ng konting drama yung intro natin. Kasi di ba alam natin, Filipinos and some of the readers, mahilig sila sa mga parang may drama scene, may mga drama effect, may mga surprising effect pa na nilalagay natin when it comes on writing our introduction. Now, cinematic means you combine drama into your introduction. For an example, I was bullied many times, I almost ended my life. Yung concept nito, it's about, kung titingnan mo, napaka-dramatic niya. I almost ended my life. Magtatanong ka ngayon sa self mo, what happened to the character? 'Di ba? Another one, is there a doctor in this flight? Yes, a Filipino, and he's good. Dito sa part na to, yung scene dito ay nakuha siya dun sa isang movie na kung saan may parang emergency on the flight, tapos naghanap sila ng doctor. O, yun. Try mo rin siyang i-infuse yung mga alam mo sa K-dramas, yung mga alam mo sa mga famous movies na cinematic scenes nila, you can infuse them on your introduction. Next one, the contrast. Kalamitan nito yung favorite ng iba, yung gumagamit ka ng dalawang opposing element. For an example natin, yung una, ito, na-draft ko to before, na-inspire ako sa isang high school dito sa area namin. In the swamp area of uncultivated land, now emerge an institution of learning. What are the two opposing elements? Yung una, swamp area. The next one is institution of learning. Diba? Dati lang siyang walang silbing lupa. I mean, parang abandoned land. Then, eventually, sa panahon ngayon, isa na siyang institution of learning. Kung saan tinayo yung school. Diba? Napaka-opposing ng dalawa. Next one, trying to fix a failed skill is a great task for a teacher who deals with the broken faith lingering to her students. Now, yung part naman na to, the opposing would be trying to fix a failed skill, tapos yung isa naman, broken faith lingering to her students. It's a story of a teacher kung saan gusto niyang i-uplift yung buhay ng bata, pero yung estudyante niya, bumitaw na, nag-give up na siya. It's two opposing din yung dalawa. Isang nag-struggle na i-survive yung isa naman, binitawan na ang lahat. This will be the contrast. Now, you can try also doing experiment. Pagdating sa contrast, kayong bahala. If you want to make this, you can practice this most likely para naman may ma-add ka pa sa mga types of lead na gusto mong gawin. Next one, one-liner. One-liner is also similar to striking statement. Pag sinabing one-liner, although one line lang siya, pero may dating. One line lang siya, creative siya. One line lang siya, striking na siya. Example natin, Generation X conquers the timeline of life. Now, paano mo masasabi na yung Generation X, yung mga edad na 15, 16, 17, bakit sila yung nangunguna when it comes on life? Bakit? Ano yung meron sa kanila? That's striking. Another one, flex ko nga mga kaibigan ko. Okay, this part, nakuha ko siya nung uso pa yung sa Facebook nung 2019 o 2018, yung flex ko lang kaibigan ko, flex ko lang yung bahay namin, flex ko lang yung medals ko. Eventually, ang nangyayari dito sa one-liner, ginagamit natin siya para usually sa mga famous na taglines sa TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, pwede natin gamitin ng mga yon. Gawin natin silang first line or one-liner, a powerful line ng ating introduction. Next one, anecdote. Anecdote is one of the conventional kung saan ini-involve mo yung experiences mo. For an example, when he was young, Alric had set his eyes on one thing to be an Athenian. Okay. Ito, kapatid siya ni Miss Mela Habijan na sinasabi niya na gusto niyang maging Atenista. Yung kanyang kapatid. Eventually, ano kaya mangyayari kay Alric? Parang tatanungin mo self mo, nachi ba niya yun? O, diba? But it's real life. Another one, we went to a place of wanderers, an ironical scene we have. Para siyang kinukwento mo yung self mo. You involve yourself on anecdote. Remember, anecdote, based on the experiences na gusto mo lang i-involve mo. May emphasis siya. Gagawin mo siyang springboard ng article mo. Next teaser, my favorite actually. Pag sinabing teaser, same with